Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix black screen on your Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you try to open Instagram, it's showing here black screen or white screen. So how can you fix this issue? Just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to update your Instagram. For that you have to open Play Store. In case of iPhone, you have to open App Store. So just simply search here for Instagram. So if any update available here, then you have to update your Instagram and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings. In case of Android phone, you have to open app management. And in case of iPhone, you have to open iPhone storage. And from here, you have to search for Instagram. In case of iPhone, you have to offload the app. In case of Android, you have to clear cache and clear storage. And after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall your Instagram and then reinstall it and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here. So just simply search for Instagram login. Here it is. Just simply tap on first link. Now I'm going to log in my account. Give your username here. Here it is. Now give your password. So after that, what you have to do is just simply tap on login, and then you have to log in your account in it for 20 or 30 minutes. And then what you have to do is just simply close this page from here and then open the app. And when you open the app, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.